Welcome to the Trading Edge, guys. So let us discuss the last week trades. So let us go through all the trades that I have taken last week. So the first trade here, the week starts October 21st, Monday. So here the first trade, which is Euro CHF, which was a short position, which is a big win. Here I have booked 1 is to 1.7. So this is the screenshot of the trade. You can see. So let me explain why I have taken this trade. So yeah, when exactly I came to the charts exactly at 10:30, which is the closure of open of new 4-hour candle, then this candle closed. So out of all the 28 FX pairs, I have selected this pair because the clean setup has formed because there is a clean range here. We can see this clean range. So whenever I see this clean range and this candle closed below the support, then I have taken this trade exactly at the open of the candle and kept stop loss above the previous candle. And I anticipated the price to fill this range, and it exactly happened. So these are all the rules of my system. Actually, there is nothing discretionary here. Everything is the rules. I look for specific rules to be satisfied to take a trade. That is how I trade. There is no discretionary. There is no blind anticipations. Nothing like that. It was all heavily back tested rules. So this is the first trade of the week. You can see here that these are the clean candles. Here we can see here. So this is the first rule, and the second is the red candle broken out of the zone after green candle. So this is the setup. So I only select the specific setups which already formed. So I select those pairs where the setup is already formed in the 4-hour time frame. So that is the beauty of trading in 4-hour time frame. So let us go to the next trade. Yeah, the next trade is EuroCAD, which is also a very big win. And here you can see the 21st is a terrific day. Here I have booked 1 to 2.7. This is the setup RR, where the setup is actually the actual RR of the setup. This is what that I ended up booking. So this is the image of the trade you can see here. Yeah, this is a very beautiful trade. This is one of the setups in my playbook. Here you can see. Here you can see when exactly this 4-hour candle closed, this green candle. Let me change the color. Yeah, whenever exactly this 4-hour candle closed, I came to the charts exactly at 6:30 morning. So I just filtered all the pairs and then I found this setup. So yeah, this is the only trade I have taken for that particular 4-hour candle, and just I taken the trade here, kept the stop loss below the previous candle low. I don't manage risk in lower time frames or anything like that. I just left the trade to fill the range, complete range. So I let the probabilities play and risk reward to play, and my win rate is also so good. And because I only take the high probable setups where after filtering all the pairs, it just takes 1 or 2 minutes to take a trade. That's it. So I hardly spend 10 to 15 minutes in a whole day to take my trade. I don't even manage my trades in the lower time frames as well. This is the beauty of trading in higher time frames, which is 4-hour time frame. And let us go through why I have taken this trade. These are the clean candles you can see here. And EMA is also there is no resistance of EMA. I mean, we can still move this much distance in this range, and there is a clean range. So actually, this was the zone that I was anticipating to tap this zone price. It exactly happened like that because this was all back tested before. So everything was back tested. And I will show the data at the end of the video. So this is the reason for this trade. And you can see this is the exact 6:30 is the open time, and 13, which is afternoon 1. So I ended up booking 2.7 RR. So let us go through the other trade. Here. So the next trade is on Tuesday, where I have taken a small loss, which is minus 0.2. The actual risk reward of the trade was 1:1, but I ended up booking 1:-minus 0.72. So This was taken in CHF which is Swiss franc yen, and you can see how I'm journaling my trades exactly. If it is a valid trade, if it is not a valid, if I ended up taking any dump trade, then I just note it here. And the surprising thing is, for the last 3 months, I never took any dump trade. That's how beautiful my consistency was. So this is the impulse setup. You can see these are there are three setups actually: impulse, breakout, and pullback. You can see, and by all my trades were exactly taken at the open of the fresh 4 hour candle. So I don't look at the candles all the long. So you can see, and all my trades are day trades only. So how beautiful it is! Day trading in 4 hours. It's just so beautiful. So you can see the trade here. I'm going to explain this trade. Exactly, I have taken this trade, but I ended up booking small loss, which is which is common, no issue at all. Losses are very common. So yeah, you can see here. So exactly when this 4 hour candle closed, this green candle closed, I have taken the trade here, kept stop loss below the previous 4 hour candle, anticipated for this range to be. These are all specific rules, guys. It was not a blind anticipation or anything like that. So I know what I'm going to do. I have a specific rule based system in place. So even if I tell this system to any kindergarten kid, so he also can easily execute this exact same trades as me. There is no discretion here. This is why I always stress people to create a rule-based system, heavily backtested rule-based system, which has an edge in the long term. So yeah, let us. So this is why I have taken this trade and kept stop loss below the previous candle, and actually the candle closed like this with huge rejection on the downside. I thought the next candle will continue pushing up and hit my TP, but it reversed here, and I trailed my stop loss here because I mean to the previous candle low, and it finally hit my trailing stop loss. So that's how I booked the loss here. So let us go to the next trade. And here the next trade is actually Wednesday I did not take any trade because there was no setup for me. On Thursday I have taken a one trade, and which was gold, which was also a huge trade where I ended up booking 1:2.3. You can see here. Yeah, this was the trade. Exactly this trade I have taken. I still remember this trade. This trade I have taken early in the morning where it played out so beautifully. Exactly. And even my students, see, every trade I take with my students, I don't take alone, right? Because I have a private group where everybody takes, because my history and the other students' history exactly same to same, because we all take trades together at the same time, because in live, actually in live session, for every 4 hour open I conduct a 20 minutes live session. In that live session only we take trades, because my always my trade entry is exactly at the 4 hour open only. So every trade entry is always same time. That is the beauty. And I don't just keep looking, and I just execute the trade, and then I will just come after 4 hours. I don't look at the charts for every 30 minutes candle or for every 1 hour candle, or I don't trade in low attempts. So, so this is the best strategy for 9 to 5 people as well. Okay. So whenever I looked at the chart, once this 4 hour candle open closed exactly early morning 6:30, it just takes 1 or 2 minutes. So I came to the terminal and I just started my analysis. In the 2-3 minutes, I have selected this goal and I immediately taken the trade here, kept stop loss below here, and I just left the screen, kept TP here. So I anticipate this. My exact rules of the system were satisfied to take this trade. So here there are green candles and the fresh support formation, strong green candle, and exponential moving average also going like this. It was very down, where I could not capture in the screenshot. So you can see the time, entry, exit, total RR I booked. So this is the trade. I think which trade? I mean, what is the count of this trade in that week? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth trade. Yeah, fourth trade. And 25th October, which was day before yesterday, Friday. And the first trade was a small loss, which was minus 0.5 only, very small loss. And let us discuss. I think I have taken this trade. This is a pullback setup. I think I have taken this trade very night. I mean, during the 10:30 candle, where in the live session only. You can see this trade. This is also very beautiful trade, but yeah, it did not play out. But that's completely fine. No issue at all. You can see here there is a clean resistance form, and I anticipated price to fill this range, but actually this candle closed bullish. Still, it didn't hit my TP. Then I tried my stop loss here. Then this candle closed bearish. Then again I tried my stop loss here. After 4 hours, I tried my stop loss here. Finally, this candle hit my trailing stop loss. So exactly my trailing stop loss hit at 13, which is next day 13. So I taken this trade at the 24th October night 10:30, and my stop loss hit at next day 25th October afternoon 1 o'clock. So exactly, yeah. These are all the reasons for this trade. We can see the exponential moving average also indicating the bearish trend. So these are our rules, guys. Actually, there is a rule one. In that rule, there are like this. There are three rules actually. Not even four, three rules. If these three rules satisfies, I take an entry. That's it. And these are the only three rules that were there in my strategy. Basically, that is the beauty. Yeah, simple. And there is only one exit. There are only two types of exits. One is a full TP or full stop loss. Other is trailing stop loss. Simple. That's how simple my plan is, and it has immense edge in the market. You can see the results. I will also show the results to you. And let us go through. Yeah, let us go to the next trade, which was the last trade of the last week. And you can see the trade was in NAS 100. See, almost I think every trade I have called in the group. I posted in the group maybe after the trade and before that. I mean, once I taken the trade exactly at the time of taking the trade, I posted in the private group. But after the trade, I posted in the public group. So here, let us go to the other trade. Yeah, let us go. Yeah, this is the trade I have taken. There is a clean range here. You can see. So I anticipated price to fill this range exactly, and I kept stop loss below. Just according to my system, I only tried the stop loss. It didn't even give me a chance to try the stop loss because this candle only hit the full TP, and I have rules to manage to handle the high impact news as well. Very simple rules, because during high impact news, I don't take any new trades. Basically, that's how I handle. And there are two, three rules to handle the high impact news, and I don't hold trades during high impact news. Yeah, because to avoid the slippages or anything, because of capital protection is the first priority. Rest is everything. Everything comes later. Um, so these are all the trades that I have taken the last week. And you can see, let us go to the journal, trade log. We have seen the journal. Now let us look at the trade log. You can see in total with this system, I have taken 58 trades where I won 26 and I lost 16, and 16 ended up as a break-even trade. So overall, my win rate is calculating from both wins and losses, leaving out break-even aside. I have made 27 hours. I have a beautiful, which is so good, 62% win rate. And look at my risk reward, average risk reward, which is a 1.1 is to 1.7 with 62% win rate. 1 is to 1.7 is literally crazy good, guys. According to me, as far as my knowledge, my profit factor is 2.63. You can see. So my wins are 2.63 times of my losses. That is what the profit factor means. So you can see how steadily I'm growing. This is how you should grow. It is not with consistency. You can literally achieve the results. You can. Sky is the limit, guys. Just sky is the limit. You just learn the right techniques. Learn the right techniques. Only trade the time frame suits you, and enjoy the life at the same time. Just don't. If 30 minutes suits you, then no issue. You can trade. But trust me, I don't recommend trading in 30 minutes. If it doesn't suit you, try 4 hour time frame. Try this strategy. Okay, these are all the trades that I have taken. You can see I have got a 5 break evens in a row as well, but still I don't give up, because I have an edge in the market. So all I have to do is just execute. Nothing else. All you have to do is just execute. Yeah, here are all the wins that I have taken and losses. And the best thing is I have taken all these trades in a live with my students. So if you are struggling, if you want to take your trading to the next level, if you are just struggling for so many years, trust me, come to me, follow me just 6 months. I'll show you the way how to become profitable, consistently profitable with a simple rule-based system, and that in 4 hours, and you can enjoy the life at the same time. You don't have to stress, you don't have to manage trades, you don't have to deal with the spreads and commissions, because we are trading in the higher time frame, which is 4 hour. And one more best thing is I'm taking enough number of trades, which is 10 to 15 trades on an average per month. That is what, even sometimes more than 15. So that is the best thing. So here you can see all the trades. October already I have taken 17 trades this month, only in 4 hour time frame, with no risk management, and I already made 8% return, 8.7, which is, and at one point of time. See, the beauty is my equity curve. You can see my equity curve. See how steadily it is growing. When you have an edge in the market, this is how it grows. So, so the summary of how I trade is simple. I come to, let us say, we have 6:30, one 4 hour candle opens, 10:30 another, 14:30, 18:30, 22:30. These are all the 4 hour candles that falls in our day. So I come exactly at, let us say, 10:30 candle. I come exactly at 10:28. I start my analysis. Whatever, if I see any of my setups according to my playbook, if any of my rules are satisfied, I just wait and I add them into my watch list, another watch list. If I get one or two, I hardly get one or two pays per 4 hour. Not even one or two. Sometimes, most of the times, one. The whole day, one or two maybe. So I add them to another watch list. Then immediately once this 4 hour candle closes, I take a trade. That's how simple it is. And then I don't even look at the chart. So hardly here I spend 2-3 minutes. That's it. Here I spend 2-3 minutes. And I just look at, I just come at exactly 14:28, and I file my stop loss if I am in any trade. And then I start my analysis again, 2-3 minutes. Just I go through quickly all the page, simple. And if I get any opportunity, I take a trade immediately once the candle closes. Then again I come after 4 hours. So how beautiful here. I'm not even, you can even literally do in your during your office hours also, during while you are studying also. All this takes just 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. If you still don't have this much time, I'm calling the trades every time in the live immediately. Whenever I take the trade, I just call the trade in my group. So you can join the group. You can join the mentorship. It just takes. I first teach my system. It will be a 2.5 hours class in live only, for only one-on-one only. I don't. There will be no other students, for you only, if you want. And then once the class is over, then you will be ready to take the trades live, because there is nothing like, I don't teach any basics or anything like that. I just teach just in 5 minutes how to draw support and resistance. Then I directly jump into the rules of the system. I teach the rules of the system, and then we will be taking trades every single day on live only, in live session. So you won't get any doubts. I think once you learn the system, you don't even need me. Basically, that's how simple it is, and it will be a lot of fun in the private group. Right? Everybody is taking the same exact same trade. So your history, your MT5 history, your C trader history will exactly match with my history, because we all are taking the same trades, and your exact results will be there. So that is the beauty. See, no mentor is doing this. From my knowledge, literally no mentor, zero mentors who literally holds your hand and take you along with them. Everybody sells their pre-recorded bullshit, pre-recorded course, and then they leave you, and then they leave you, uh, like they leave you for without creating any value. That's how they are doing. That's how they're selling their useless mentorships. They're not actually real traders, right? They're all these bullshit guys. So anyway, if you are struggling only, if you have a system, if you know how to, then you don't have to. Actually, this is for those who are literally struggling, and those who want those who don't know what to do, those who don't know where the edge lies, those who don't know, those who really cannot backtest for months, because it all takes months to collect the data for the last 4 5 years. Where I have done the 2023 whole 2023, this is what I have been doing, and then exactly in the 2024, uh, the I started testing the system in the live for the January, February, and March. Then from the exact June month, maybe I have taken a. I think I have tested the system for the first 3 months. Then I started executing the system from June, July, August, September, October. Now I will be unstoppable. So anyway, so tomorrow I'll be doing the live sessions every day evening for one candle. So if you are struggling, this is the way, and trust me, I promise I'll change your life. No doubt in that. See you tomorrow, and just have a nice weekend.